Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2018 Ford Kuga 1.5 Turbo EcoBoost. This car's finished in chrome blue metallic paint. This is the titanium model. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, chrome grille, front fog lights, front parking sensors, which is part of the park assist pack, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, satin silver roof rails, chrome trim running along the door tops, "17" alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the leather side panels, the ribbed pattern in the centre panels and the light grey stitching. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Centre armrest with internal cup holders. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. 12-volt plugins for accessories. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car, you've got the rear parking sensors. And this car is also equipped with the rear parking camera. So into the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. Load cover for security. 12-volt plug-in for accessories. And the space saver spare wheel. Moving around to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment. This car's got the electric folding mirrors, automatic headlamps, centre armrest with internal storage box. So inside the storage box you've got 2 USB plug-in points, twin cup holders, so this car's done 21,040 miles, 6-speed gearbox, dual climate control, stop start deactivation switch. You can turn off the parking sensors, then you've got the park assist. So when you select the park assist, it's just a matter of selecting what parking space you're looking for and following the instructions. So you've got the 8-inch touchscreen media system. So on there you've got the AM, FM and DAB radio stations, Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, CD player, into the home page, full screen navigation, the view from the rear camera when you place the vehicle in reverse, so on the steering wheel you've got the controls for the cruise control and speed limiter. The other side you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. So moving back outside the car again, identification plate that tells us it's the Ford Kuga Titanium 1.5 EcoBoost, 150 PS, engine, and it's a Euro 6.2 engine, and this is a two-wheel drive version. Moving forward now, driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.